Hello, today we will be pixing a firework. Can you guys even hear me? Today we're pixing a firework red. So okay, my color scheme, my palette here, we have some red. Oh, that's not the shade I wanted for green. Okay, so now, yeah, I decided to go for yellow instead of green there. And we'll add orange because I've seen the orange fireworks. Let's learn the pattern. P.S. I've never done this. I did it on my other channel. My old channel. Do you guys think that looks good so far? It's really hard to pick from this. Oh my gosh, I made another mistake. Okay, there. Another mistake. I can't tell. It looks weird. There. Oh. Why do I keep... Why are my fingers that big? I keep making so many mistakes. You know what? I'm just gonna erase the whole thing. Yeah, I'm just gonna erase the whole thing. I don't like it. Sorry, background music. Not music sound. This... I'm trying to think of a good pattern. My clay is nice and calming with my Gumi home family. Mom, dad, sister. I should probably pick better. I'm just telling a story about what I made, and they're like the two twin brothers. Oh wait, did I make it two twin brothers? No, it's a girl and a boy. They're twins though, not identical. And then there's Starflame. Sounds like a warrior cat name. Starflame. Apologies if you hate ASMR. I like it. So obviously we're starting off with yellow. We're not starting off, but on this part we're starting off. Yellow fireworks, you know. And if anyone knows where Gloom has been, please tell me, because it's been 5 months. It's beautiful. Oh god, I made another mistake. Should I do like the Walmart symbol? Nah. I think we should have a shade on. If you don't know, I am a person that loves rats, prefers guinea pigs though. And P.S. If I ever do show my face, it's gonna be 100 subs, because for now, when I film these videos, when I film videos with my face in it, I'm going to, you know, like probably wear like a mask or something. Face reveal at 100 subscribers. Oh, I have a good idea. I should do like a heart. Yeah, I should do like a heart. I don't know. Should I do a heart? Should I do a heart? Should I do a heart? I think I should do a heart. Yeah, I'm gonna do the heart. Just think about it. Having a heart firework on here would add some fire, wouldn't it? I don't like the placing. Well, sorry, I'm tired. Not tired, like sleep tired. My hands are tired, I should say. Should I do a heart? Should I do the heart? Should I do the heart? It's a real question. Oh, happy day, by the way. Don't know what day you're watching this, but have a good day. I'm gonna try posting every day for summer break. Maybe in the future I'll get a new schedule, because tomorrow I'm gonna have plans. So I have a pre-recorded video for tomorrow. I don't know. I go quiet when I pick. I think I'm going to do the heart. Yeah, I think I'm going to do the heart. 4th of July, I'm probably not going to be able to post. I'm probably going to have another reward video. Oh, that looks so cute. It's beautiful. We're keeping it. Should I do one there? Do I have any room? I'm going to try. Yeah, I don't have any room. Let's just... I'm still recording. Yeah, I'm still recording. What's a good name?